Hello, welcome again. We are solving some conventional questions of refrigeration and air conditioning. The topic is refrigeration. Question number 58 from Civil Services May 2022 is a VCR cycle refrigeration driven by a 60 kilowatt compressor has a COP of 6. The enthalpy of saturated liquid and saturated vapor refrigerant at condenser temperature of 35 degrees Celsius are 114.95 kilojoules per kilogram and 283.89 kilojoules per kilogram respectively. The saturated refrigerant vapor leaving evaporator has an enthalpy of 275.76 kilojoules per kilogram. Find the temperature of the refrigerant at the exit of compressor. The CP of refrigerant is 0.62 kilojoules per kilogram per degree Kelvin. So here this is your vapor compression cycle. 1, 2 is compression, 2, 3 is condensation, 3, 4 is throttling, and 1 is evaporation. As power of the compressor is given as 60 kilowatt and COP is given as 6.0. So refrigerating effect comes out as 60 into 6. So the refrigerating effect by power is COP. So refrigerating effect comes out as 60 into 6, that is 60 kilowatt. So now, according to figure, the enthalpy at the inlet of compressor or at the exit of evaporator is given in the question 275.76. The refrigerator vapor leaving the evaporator has an enthalpy of 275.76. Okay, and this enthalpy H3 is 114.97. This is also given the saturated liquid has an enthalpy of 114.95 at 34 degrees Celsius. So this is 114.95. Okay. And H4, this is H3 and H3 is equal to H4 because of throttling process. And the refrigerating effect is H1 minus H2. Okay. And refrigerating effect is also calculated from the COP also. From the COP, that is 360 kilowatts. So equating these two, we can find out mass for it because we know H1, we know H4. So M comes out as 2.23 kilogram per second. And the compressor power is 60 kilowatts. So we have H1, we can find out H2 by equating compressor power equal to M H2 minus H1. So H2 comes out as 302.66 kilojoules per kilogram. So now this is the point G, and at this point the enthalpy of gas is given, that is 283.89 kilojoules per kilogram. So at this point the enthalpy is 99, and at this point the enthalpy and temperature at this point is 35 degrees Celsius. And suppose temperature at point 2 is T2, then Cp T2 minus Cg will be equal to H2 minus Hg. H2 is known, Hg is known, Tg is known, 35 degrees Celsius. T2 will be at 65.1129 degrees.